Okay. So, Pat, I wanted to talk to you about one of the American Lit lessons that we recently did. It wasn't a passing score, so I wanted to find a way to give you something else that is covering the same material, but in a different way. So, one of the biggest reasons that we missed a lot of this was that this section, the finding meanings, was one of the lowest ones. And it wasn't that you didn't get the idea correctly, it's just that you weren't understanding the direction going off of that. Because the B section, you got everything except one correct. The C, you got 100% correct. And the D, we missed a little bit as well. But again, I think that was more off of not being able to follow the directions. So, and actually one of the toughest parts, the narrative, you missed 3 out of 15. So, everything else was passing. So what I want to do to try and reassess you for some of these is to use a website called Quizlet. So, I wrote it down right here. I just made a little tiny URL for that. So, go ahead and go to this website. It's tinyurl.com / and then book 4, lesson 1, and some numbers like that, Quizlets. L-E-T. Cool. So the reason I chose this website is because it's going over the same words again, but what you get to do here is if you click on Speller, and then wait for it to take like 10 minutes to load. Okay, there we go. So on this website, the thing that I like about it is it has audio. So you can actually hear what's going on with it. And it's not just going off of the verbal directions here. Okay. So, what I want you to do is there's 3 different sections that you can use to practice, which is cards. Go ahead and click on that. And these are kind of like little digital flashcards, so it'll have the word abate, just like here. And then hit flip. And instead of giving all of this, it just gives a really short, quick description of the word right there. And it has all the words, so go to hit next down here, and you're going to have the next one, acknowledge. Okay, so you can go through this section, the next section. It's called learn. So with this one, it gives you the definition here, and you just type the answer in here. So it's just a way to practice. This one doesn't have the audio like the other one. So it kind of depends on your preference if you want to do that as additional practice. And then the third one is Speller. Cool. This is the one that I liked for the website because if you put your headphones on, you can actually hit replay audio, and it actually says the word for you, and then you just type the word in there. So go ahead and practice that first. Okay. So you see how that little ball bounced down to here? There's going to be 2 times where it gives you the word, and you can actually like make it faster or slower depending on how you want to do. I was messing with it yesterday. Even the slow one is probably like the slowest that I would go. Can you hear the difference? Yeah. But watch, go to, and then also here, it'll also speak the actual definition to you as well. So you can hear the term and the definition as well in 2 different speeds. Okay. So I want you to practice this part of the speller, and then eventually, once you're done with that, I want you to come over to the test section. And this is nice because it gives you 4 different options here. I want you to choose 3 of the different question types.
Alright.
So there's written, which is like this. This was probably one of the tougher ones that I found when I was messing with it yesterday. But click on matching, and it'll recreate a new test for you. See, so it has matching now like that. So just choose 3 of these 4 to do, and go down to multiple choice so that you see what everything looks like. So this one gives you a multiple choice section like this, and then the last section gives you true false. Kind of like this, how it had like different ways to test you.
Yeah.
Same thing, but now it's going to be more of an audio version. Okay. So scroll back up. Now that you see the 4 ways that you can do this, go back to Speller, and then when you're done with that, click 3 of those, and then click that print test to see your results. Okay? Any questions about it?